Hey guys, in this video I'm going to show you how to add a Macy's gift card online. If you find this video helpful, please drop a like and subscribe to my channel. In saying that, let's just jump straight into the video. Okay, so what we need to do is open up a web browser and head on to Macy's.com. Now from here, I'm just going to put a random product into my cart. So I'm going to search for men's clothing. So I'm on the men's tab here. I'm going to scroll down. I'm going to have a look at this Tommy Hilfiger jacket. I'm gonna put this in my cart, I reckon. So I'm extra large. I'm gonna leave it red. Add to bag. Now basically we got to go to the checkout section where you can enter the Macy's gift card. So I'm gonna click on checkout here. All right, so we've got an option here to sign in or continue as a guest checkout. I'm gonna continue as a guest. All right, so I need to fill in my shipping address, shipping options, and then we need to head to payment method. So I'll go ahead and quickly fill this out. All right, save and continue. All right, so I'll put in my shipping address. It's just a fake address for demonstration purposes. I'm going to just do a standard delivery. I can do a gift option if I like, so I can include a personal message, send a gift bag, and then below this it says payment method, apply Macy's gift card. So down below here we got apply Macy's gift card, and now you want to put in your card number and the CID number, and also check that I'm not a robot, and then go ahead and click on apply gift card. So if this gift card's for say $50, that $50 will deduct off the total order total of 81, so then I'll have to pay $31.89 just using my credit card or debit card and just pay the remaining balance. Or if your gift card is more than your order total, you're going to have credit to make another purchase down the track.